Hello guys, today I am going to introduce you to a Logitech USB keyboard. The model number is K120. So let's look at the cover of this Logitech keyboard. It can be used with Windows, Chrome OS, Linux, anything, basically anything with a USB port. This comes with a 3-year limited warranty and it's compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8. And let's take a look at the back side. And yes, it's connected via USB port. It's really rugged in terms of the keyboard quality and the keys, and it's written like feel good typing. Okay, we can expect that from this Logitech brand. It's like the Nokia of computer accessories. So we'll just get into the unboxing of. So let's get to the unboxing of this product. We'll need to take this tape first. Here is another tape. It's covered in plastic. One user manual, and this is how it looks, the keyboard. All these keys are really of good quality, really strong, and it is also really very silent. If you type in, you will not make that typing sound. The sound is really low. And coming to the back side, here is two stands provided so that you can keep it in a slightly upright position for the ease of typing. And that's it in the back. And now there are also three indicator lights provided. That's good really, and it's really lightweight. And let's see the cable. And here is the other end of the USB cable. This is the USB port. Basically you can connect it to any device with a USB port. You don't have to even install any drivers for this to work. This is a pretty long cable. You can so it can be reached even into some long distance with this cable. So we'll just connect it to the laptop and see how it functions. Now I have connected it to my laptop. As you can see, it's not having any power indicators. The only indicators are for like one number lock, you can see a green light on, and the scroll lock, and for I think it's for the caps lock. These are the only three indicators. You can keep it with the stand or without the stand. It's your preference, but I like to keep it with the stand because it helps me to type a little bit more easily. As a bonus, I would like to show you how you can connect it to a mobile. For that you need one OTG cable. You need to plug that into your mobile phone, and you need to connect this end of the USB port to the OTG cable. That's it. Now it's connected. As you can see, I am typing using my keyboard. This way you can use your USB mouse or USB keyboard to connect to your mobile or any device that supports USB or OTG, and you can work with it. if you feel like typing from a keyboard. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the extras. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe. And if you want to buy this keyboard, I'll give you the link in the description below. Thank you.